Welcome back to the Workplace English Podcast. In Canadian workplaces, safety is the number one priority. When something goes wrong, your supervisor needs a clear report, not guesses. Picture the scene. Marco is in the equipment room. The floor is wet. A crate is broken near the wall. Now listen carefully to how Marco explains what he was doing and what suddenly went wrong.
Marco, I heard there was a spill in the equipment room. Are you okay? What happened?
I'm okay, but it was a close call. I was carrying a heavy container of cleaning fluid when I slipped on a wet patch.
Did the container break?
Yes. While I was falling, the lid popped off and the fluid spilled everywhere.
Was anyone else nearby?
Sarah was walking past the door when it happened, so she grabbed the spill kit right away.
When you report an incident, your supervisor needs two things, the background and the event. Marco used the past continuous, I was carrying, I was falling to describe actions already in progress. He used the simple past, I slipped, the lid popped, the fluid spilled for the sudden actions that interrupted him. This tense choice shows exactly when the problem happened and helps identify safety risks without blaming people. When someone asks you to explain an incident, focus on the sequence. Use I was to describe what was already happening and then it for the sudden problem or interruption. In the next episode, we'll move on to deadlines and goals, where you'll learn how to promise when work will be fully completed. Join us next time on the Workplace English Podcast. Clear communication starts here.